Hello everyone, this is Lab Assignment 1 updated. If you have already submitted, there is no reason to resubmit. You don't need SQL Server to complete this lab. The idea is that you familiarize yourself with code, you read it, you understand common patterns, some statements that are SQL script is comprised of, and maybe you try to modify it a little bit. So first of all, download this file. This is actually a doc file, and you can download it and open it in Word and read the instruction. Read the information. This is like a information, and then read your instruction. So add 2 records to the class list table, and you can add whoever you like, yourself, me, and movie characters. Your code doesn't have to be 100% correct. The goal is for you to first read the existing code and then try to create something similar in order to achieve the task. The code is on the next page, right here. So what you need to do is copy it, open, for example, in Notepad, open a Notepad file, paste it, and save as required name. Well, my first SQL, my first database. Save. And then start looking through it. This is a comment. This is to use master. We briefly mentioned that. This is the code in order for the actual script to be able to run multiple times, each time just removing the database if it exists and recreating it in the next line. So this is creating database, and then we're switching to this database, and so that on the next step we create a table inside. Now, to create a table, we need to describe the column names and the corresponding data types, and nothing else is done here. So hopefully you can figure out what this means. Varchar 50, that is strings of length up to 50, and char1, this is fixed length 1. But you don't have to know that. You can proceed to the existing records. Here are some insert statements. Read them carefully and see where you add the values, actually where you add data to this table. For example, you might know this person, and notice how the data is added for this person. So after that, there is a select statement, and you can, for example, look back at chapter 1 and see there an example of a select statement. This is a select star. Star means select everything from class list, and then select everything from class list where gender equals to F. And this is all the script. And going back to the problem description, all you need to do, try to add 2 records. So there is a part of this script which is where you add records to an existing table, and come up with 2 records and add them. And after that, upload the edited file back to the canvas.